Water creature. Jellyfish.
Jellyfish. Jellyfish.
Jellyfish are nearly transparent. You can see through them.
Penguin.
Penguin. Penguin. Penguins waddle when they walk.
Turtle.
Turtle. Turtle.
A sea turtle is a strong swimmer thanks to its paddle-like flippers.
Whale.
Whale. Whale. Whales are the biggest animals in the ocean.
Jellyfish.
Jellyfish. Penguin.
Penguin.
Turtle.
Turtle.
Whale.
Whale. Light.
Fast.
Same. Light.
Fast.
Same.
Help.
Self. 6. Clothes.
Belt.
Belt.
Belts go around our waists to hold our pants in place.
Shirt.
Shirt. The man on the beach wears a shirt. Pants.
Pants. The man in blue pants is skiing.
Shoes.
Shoes.
Put your shoes on and dance.
Belt.
Belt.
Shirt.
Shirt. Pants.
Pants. Shoes.
Shoes.
Hmm. Hmm. Foam. Foam. Film. Film.
Uh-oh!
Worm. Worm.
Words end with M.
Mom.
Gym. Room.
Plum.
Loom.
Poem.
Choose the picture that goes with the word. That is right. Pants. Choose the picture that goes with the word.
You did it!
Shirt.
Choose the picture that goes with the word.
Fantastic!
Penguin.
Choose the word that goes with the picture.
Great job!
Jellyfish.
Choose the word that goes with the picture.
Awesome!
Shoes.
Choose the word that goes with the picture.
You did it!
Belt.
Can you point to?
Light. Fantastic! Can you point to?
Help. That is right.
Hooray! You finished a lesson!
Congratulations, you've earned a sticker. Play lessons to earn more stickers.